Installing Windows 10, Safety and Precautions.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a very important topic, installing Windows 10, specifically focusing on whether it's safe to download from third-party sites such as GetIntoPC and what precautions you should take during this process.
Is it safe to install Windows 10 from GetIntoPC?
GetIntoPC, like many other third-party websites, provides downloads for a wide variety of software, including operating systems like Windows 10. However, downloading software from third-party sites can come with risks. This doesn't mean all third-party sites are unsafe, but it does mean you need to be cautious. Some potential risks include: 1. The download might contain malware or unwanted software. 2. The software might be a pirated or cracked version, which is illegal to use and often more vulnerable to security threats. 3. The software might not receive official updates and patches, leaving your system unprotected against new threats. Given these risks, it's generally safer to download Windows 10 directly from the official Microsoft website. If you do choose to download from a third-party site like GetIntoPC, make sure to run a thorough antivirus scan on the downloaded file before installation.
What precautions should I take?
Should you decide to proceed with a third-party download, here are some key precautions to take. 1. Research the website. Read reviews and feedback about the website to check its reputation. 2. Check the file thoroughly. Use a reliable antivirus software to scan the downloaded file for malware. 3. Use a firewall. A firewall can provide an extra layer of security by monitoring your network traffic and blocking suspicious activities. 4. Back up your data. Before installing a new operating system, it's always a good idea to back up your data to prevent any potential loss. 5. Watch for unauthorized changes. If the installation process tries to make changes you didn't authorize or install additional software you didn't ask for, it's a red flag. Cancel the installation and delete the downloaded file. In conclusion, while it's technically possible to install Windows 10 from GetIntoPC, it is generally safer and more secure to download it directly from the official Microsoft website. If you do choose to use a third-party source, ensure you take the necessary precautions to protect your computer and data. As always, it's better to be safe than sorry. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.